On the 9th of February 2023, the Ministry of Mines in India made a remarkable announcement that could be a game changer for India, as it turns out that we have discovered 5.9 million tons of white gold in Jammu and Kashmir. For the very first time in India's history, a massive amount of lithium has been found.
Union Mines Ministry has announced the large discovery of lithium in Jammu and Kashmir. The rare earth mineral is essential for manufacturing electric vehicles and batteries in particular. At 5.9 million tons, this is India's first major discovery of lithium reserve.
India has a target to expand their EV penetration by 30% by 2030. Right now, it's only at 1%.
This discovery is groundbreaking because India now has the 7th largest lithium reserve in the world. Firstly, let's understand what is lithium and why it is so important. Lithium is often referred to as a white gold because of its high demand and relative scarcity. And also, lithium is said to be the new energy reserve that will determine the super economics of the 21st century. In fact, in the last 2 years, lithium's price has soared by 900%, which is a big percentage. And when it comes to the importance of lithium, it is a critical component used in phones, laptops, electric cars, and renewable energy storage systems. It is estimated that the global demand for lithium will double by 2025, and India is well positioned to meet that demand because, along with that, we also have another jackpot to break. That is, recently GSI has also found another massive lithium reserve in Rajasthan, which is said to be the larger than the earlier discovery in Jammu and Kashmir. And it is claimed that the quantity of lithium found in Rajasthan can meet about 80% of country's demand and requirement, which could significantly boost India's effort to become self-sufficient in producing batteries for electric vehicles. Furthermore, by 2013, the global EV industry is anticipated to surpass 800 billion. This could lead to a sustainable financial gain for Indian companies and the country as a whole. And do you know which country is leading in the production of batteries for electric vehicles? No, it's not India, but yes, it is China. A Chinese company called CATL, which is now the largest maker of batteries for electric vehicles, manufactures 34% of the global batteries. Even Tesla sources batteries for EVs from this company. So, can India become an EV superpower with the discovery of the lithium reserves? Before coming to that, it is important to understand the history and the discovery of lithium. During the 1970s geopolitical energy crisis caused by a war between Israel and some Arabic countries, and in between, US started to support Israel, and due to which Arab countries thought of cutting oil supply to the US. And this crisis prompted Stanley Whittingham, an English chemist, to explore the idea of rechargeable batteries that could reduce dependency on oil. And I'm not going deep into the history of discovery, but just to remember, keep in mind that the energy crisis between US and Arab countries was a driving force that stimulated the development of a new battery technology. And our video's most important part, that is, by 2030, the Indian government has set a target that 30% of the private vehicle on the roads will be electric vehicles. And several lithium-ion battery manufacturing companies are setting up plants in India, including Tesla, which recently registered a subsidiary in India, which indicates their interest in setting up manufacturing facilities in India. But there are some factors which are to be considered before predicting how India is definitely going to be an EV superpower. Firstly, the discovery of 5.9 million tons of lithium in Jammu and Kashmir is still in the very early stages of exploration. The authorities have only taken a few samples and looked at the evidence. Unless a proper technology or method is available to profitably extract lithium from its ore, the real benefits of exploration may not be there. At the moment, the AMD does not have enough information to figure out the actual economic benefits of the exploration and cannot be estimated at this stage. And even if it is, the mining and extraction won't happen overnight. It will take time, maybe even 10 years or more. Secondly, If lithium is economically viable, we need to make sure that it is environmentally viable too. Because it takes 0.5 million liters of water to produce 1 ton of lithium, which affects the groundwater level and pulls in water from freshwater reservoirs, which will have a negative impact on wildlife such as the saltwater lakes in the Himalayas, which are the prime habitats for certain species. We need lithium to switch to a greener world, but it can come at the cost of massive environmental damage in the mining process. Definitely, this will be the biggest challenge for India to do in their attempts to become a lithium superpower. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to share it with your friends and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.